This company reached out to me called Madam Glam New York, and they sent me some soak off gel polish of my choice, so I was able to choose the color that I liked. And let me tell you guys, when I went on the website, it was so much to choose from. I was so confused, but then I ended up picking the 3 that I wanted, and so I chose the cat eye gel polish, and that's in the color Yellow Diamond, and that's what I have on my nail right now. So this is it. So it's giving like a gold yellow. It's very, very pretty. And I also chose the Glam Resolution, and this is it right here. And this is the shimmery color right here, so it's giving like a shimmery vibe. Very nice. So what I really, really like about these gel polish, I did my nails on January 26th, so it's been about 15 days. And look guys, the nail polish hasn't lifted or anything, and as you can see, it's growing out here, but that's about it. It's just growing out, because these are my natural nails. And also what I like about it, it gives me builder gel vibes, because usually what I do, I put builder gel on my natural nail and then I'll polish it with any polish of my choice. But with this, I don't have to put any builder gel, because once I apply the base coat, the polish, and the top coat, it makes my nail hard, protects my nail from breaking off, and that's what I absolutely love. They're vegan and they're cruelty free, so I absolutely love that. My nails look so beautiful. Can you imagine 2 weeks and still going strong? I'm going to keep them on. I'm not going to take it off, because I really, really want to see how long it's going to take for it to start to peel. So in the packaging, it also came with this Cali Mini UV LED lamp. And what I really, really love about this LED lamp is that I can travel with it. So let me show you guys. So as you can see, so I haven't got a chance to test this out yet to see how well it works. So I'm going to test it out on my daughter right now for you guys. So look at it, how cute it is. And you just fold it up just like that. And then it comes with the charger cable. And there's also a little booklet in here. So I feel like a manual that tells you how to use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my daughter's nails, because she's been asking for me to do her nails with it, because she absolutely loved how mine came out. So yeah. The link to the website will be in the description. Use my code Jeanette35 to get 35% off your next order.
Stand up and sing for my life. In my hands on you, I won't let go.
Step aside, them to know them a break. Me blessings go shot. Them up on my wood when they dark. See me get this start. And you know you chatting and a sleeping. I don't wanna come catch. Pan your back, be the rider. Now we wanna be the way and me a wanna to the empress right away. In your poor son, your mama's son, joyful relay, confused, not your heart. At least get my chance the east. I can only go man weak. My time on no seat. No, you are only fit come from the heat. Right to the woman right away.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be?
He bought the wrong flour. He bought whole wheat flour. I do not eat whole wheat. I eat whole grain. So this is the flour. This is not the right flour. This, I don't know. I keep telling him, stop buying whole wheat. Stop. I get so aggravated, man. I don't know how much time I'm gonna say I don't eat whole wheat. Yes, sir, why you keep on about whole wheat? I'm not eat whole wheat. I eat whole grain.
Anyway.
Whole wheat is very deadly. You want to pass?
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love with me. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love with me. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love with me. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love with me. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be?
Ông đã gọi điện thoại rồi phí đi.
Who's talking to?
Huh?
Who's talking to?
Huh?
Who's talking to?
No, not hope. That's it like that.
Someone was detected at your front door.
I haven't bought any meat. Everything is empty because of that bird flu announcement with the chicken. So I haven't been to the meat shop. So the fridge is empty. The fridge is not really dirty. I'm just wiping it out, and then I got rid of the ice that was at the bottom, but for the most part it's not really dirty. So I won't be buying no meat for 5 days. 5 days I won't be buying no meat, so it's gonna stay empty like that.
Motion detected at front door.
Hold on, put that in the gas.
A package was detected at your front door.
Your feelings, your feelings. So fam, there's nothing in the refrigerator because of that whole bird flu thing and that announcement that they made in New York that that the chicken and the eggs and they're giving the meat companies 5 days. 5 days to clear out all the meat, so we haven't went any meat shopping. This is veggie sandwich she ordered. It's like a veggie wrap she ordered today. So there's nothing in here. The fridge is basically empty. And I'm not going grocery shopping until after the 5 days is over. So I'm going to cook some codfish, aka saltfish, with some ackee and some green bananas and some yam. That's it. We're not eating any meat until after the 5 days is up. Hot gal. Hot gal. I'm not hot. You just put them fat. Yes, they are. That's what you want. You drink over protein sugar, you put them and get big. That's what you wanted, right? So you got what you wanted. Fam, if y'all never try this, try this. The Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner for your stove. Oh my god, try this, guys, to clean your stove. And the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Vinegar Gel. You can clean your bathroom, and it's good for stainless steel, your shower, and yeah, your sink. So try it. You guys will love it. Try it. Just a little bit. Your pretty wings, your pretty wings. Your pretty wings. The vinegar one smells so good to me. It just smells so fresh. I really like it. Really, really like it. Waiting for this thing to come out of the kitchen, but look like it's going to clean the kitchen forever. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, it's done. Oh my gosh. I'm washing off the salt off the codfish, the saltfish, then I'm going to boil. I'm going to boil it 3 times to get rid of all the salt. Cooking this for my husband because he came home mad that I didn't cook. So I'm just gonna cook this real quick. Somebody was lazy and they put the pot of rice in the fridge, and I usually put it in containers. So I'm gonna scrape it out and put it in here. I'm so tired already and I didn't even do nothing. Can you imagine? This must be Aiden, because Aya won't do this. Aya will put it in a container. Guys, I had so much fun the other day on the live. What was that? That was Friday. I had so much fun Friday on the live. Oh my god. So much fun. Usually guys, when I'm on the live, I get a little bit more personal on the live, more than I do in the video. So people that be joining me on the live, they get to see a more personal side of me. Yeah, so we had so much fun. I'm gonna start doing more lives, so you guys, whoever haven't like got a chance to get to know me personally, can do so, because like I said, on the live, that's the most personal I get. This video is already running past 30 minutes guys, so I'm gonna end the video. I'm not really cooking nothing that you guys need to see. You guys see I cook this all the time. I'm just cooking this for my husband real quick and that's it. So I'm gonna wash this out. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next vlog. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on the post notification bell and set it to all. So the next time I drop a video, you guys be notified. Love you guys so much. And until next time, peace.
But baby, we just all like that. Yeah, baby, we just all like that.